What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be repotting the succulents that have the air roots. So ever since they have been cut, they have been out of the soil. As you can see, beautiful healthy pink roots, and they haven't been watered since the day they have been cut. And we won't be watering them even after they have been repotted. We will wait for at least another 5 or 6 days before we go ahead and water it. You can see the succulents are not dehydrated, they're very well hydrated, so we do not need to be worried. Of course, if the succulent is dehydrated, then probably you can water after 2 or 3 days, but when they are plump, you do not need to be worried. They still have enough water in their leaves. So we have a plastic takeaway container ready for the potting. We have a drain hole. We'll cover it up with a piece of stone and start filling in our succulent soil mix, which is 80% of aquarium sand and 20% of filtered garden soil. Because these stems are a little bit smaller, so we'll have to fill it all the way up and then refill it once again. So let's put the first one. So I'm just going to push it like this. That's about it. So we have potted all 3 of them. As I said, I won't be watering it now, probably after 4 or 5 days. When I will be watering, I will be doing a complete watering, that is until the water passes through the drain hole. Do not do incomplete watering. If you do not want to water, don't water, but when you are watering it, ensure you're doing a complete watering. Now this succulent is going to be placed back again in indirect bright light. That's where it was all this time, because we had done the cutting, we were waiting for it to air root, so that entire process was done in indirect bright light. But after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I will slowly start acclimating it to morning direct sunlight, because it has been in indirect bright light for such a long time. I think it might have been almost a month now. So now when we are going to introduce it to morning direct sunlight, it has to be a slow introduction. Probably 1 hour first day, the next day 2 hours, the third day 3 hours. So in that way we will start increasing the hour per day, and we will slowly acclimate it. It will take around a week for it to completely get acclimated to morning direct sunlight, after which it will receive morning direct sunlight for 6 hours. Because this succulent tends to get this beautiful red edges, because this particular variety does require a good amount of morning direct sunlight. Only then it will show that beautiful colors. Now the colors are missing because it was an indirect bright light, but you'll still see some traces of the red edges. That's how they tend to look. They get even more red once they receive a good amount of sunlight. So that's about it, guys. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.